Stop it, baby. You are the only one in my life, Alex. Come on, you have me already, Alex. You know, many of you men doubt the faithfulness of women. But I can boldly beat my chest. You are the only one in my life. Come on. Hey. You will not drag me with anyone. Just as I believe that I will not drag you with another woman. Okay? And so it will remain.
They will always get close, but they will never succeed. He belongs to me. He's all mine, even in death. If I can't have him, no one else can.
No, baby, I need some answers. The whole thing is getting too much. What is it? Talk to me. Why are you doing this to me?
What exactly are you driving at?
You are avoiding me and you know it.
Look, whatever it is that you think I'm doing, I'm doing for your own good. It's in your interest. Believe me.
I still do not get it. For my own interest. Why, if I may ask?
Quincy, I think that you should stay away from me.
Okay. Even if I've done anything wrong to you, please, I beg you to please forgive me. Just tell me what it is. I promise to apologize. And we can move on.
You have done nothing wrong.
So why do you want to end things with me?
Even if I spend the entire day explaining things to you, you will never understand it. So please, for your own good, just stay away from me.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm not leaving until you tell me why you want to end things with me. Yes. I won't. I'm not leaving. Please. Please, I beg you. Please, don't do this to me, please.
Please. I need you to understand me.
Understand what exactly? Tell me what you want me to understand. The fact that you blocked and unfollowed me on social media, on WhatsApp, everywhere. Well, I'm sorry. I am not going to understand anything until you start telling me what I should understand.
It's not you, okay? It's me. You have not offended me in any way. I mean, look at you, you're a beautiful woman. You're the best, I dare say. Please, baby. And a man who sees you would want to go for you, but now, not me, okay? Please.
Why do you want to end things with me? I have given you a significant part of my life. Even if I did something wrong to you, at least just tell me. Tell me I will apologize and I promise to change. Please.
I'm ending things with you because I don't want you to end up in a disastrous way, that's why.
I don't understand.
It's hard for you to understand because there is no easy way out of this. There is no way to make you understand, but for you to just trust that I know what I'm doing and just give me some time to sort myself out.
Johnson, giving you the time you want means you breaking away from me. And I'm sorry, I am not going to allow that to happen.
Why are you making this hard for us, Quincy?
What have I made hard? My man is gradually drifting away from me and all I am doing is to get my man back.
Can't you see that I'm different? Can't you see that I am incapable of continuing this relationship with you? Can't you see that a few things are different with me? Listen, just stay away from me, okay? You find another young man who wants to marry you, go ahead and marry him, but right now, I need to sort myself out. I don't know how long this is going to take.
Jocelyn, are you really serious about this whole thing? Like, you breaking up with me? Now tell me, who is she? Who is the lady in your life? Who is she?
This is not about a woman.
Talk to me. Is she finer? Richer? Talk to me. You need to say something to me. Johnson, I said say something to me. At least tell me why you are leaving me. Tell me why you want to end everything with me. Talk to me, please. I'm begging you. So this is what I get after a long period of waiting, right? Thank you.
This is hard. This is really hard.
Hello? James, how far now? Tell me now, what did happen? The game don't enter. You tell me say go enter, what back I play? Oh, shows I not to waste my money so. What team are you they play? Oh yeah, wait, I'll call you back. Wait, Mumu.
I didn't see this coming. Johnson broke up with me after everything I've put into this relationship to make it work. What do I tell my friends? After boasting that Johnson and I are simply inseparable. Johnson has hit me below the bed. Will I ever survive this colossal shame?
They go come enter her as a smile. Then they come up for her, they carry face. Or they change her for me for a year. Marry, you know what marry? They carry different girls every day. Me, you marry, make all this nonsense stop. Me, I don't tire.
Johnson.
Yeah, Ukeje, she just left.
Johnson, you have to do this again.
I don't have a choice. Murder is an offense, punishable by law, and I don't want to get involved in murder. She had to go, I'm sorry.
Listen, Johnson, you have to see a psychiatric doctor.
Ukeje, how can you say that to me?
Listen, I am sorry to say this to you, Johnson. But your case is a pure case of insanity.
Guy, you're insulting me.
I'm not insulting you. I cannot insult you, my friend. I am honestly telling you the truth.
Okay, that's it. I have to go.
Johnson.
Later. Yeah.
Johnson.
What is happening to me? God, what is going on with me? Beautiful girls find me attractive. They want to get involved with me. And at the end of the day, I have no choice but to just dump them. Now, this is the 6th one in 2 years. Quincy is the 6th one in 2 years, and she's one woman I really don't want to lose. But I just lost her. How do I come out of this alive? Just how do I come out of this alive?
If I'm to ask a question, then I'll ask myself, yeah. What is happening? What is happening to me? This urge to kill and take a life of someone I love. This force that is pushing me to end the life. Whoa, this minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What is happening? What is happening to me? This minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What's really happening? What's happening to me? Yeah.
I said it. Women are not supposed to attach their lives to men. For men are not wired to make us happy. They're here to make us pain, to hurt us. Emirad, please. This is not what I need at this point. It is so obvious to you that I am going through a lot. And the kind of argument you are presenting, I don't want it. It won't help. Please.
Automatically, I should paint it the way you want it to be. I should say what will make you happy, right? No, I won't. Were you not happy when you left to go and be with this man? And at the end, what happened? He broke your heart. He tore your heart into shreds and left you a wreck. If you go to this guy's house now, you'll be shocked that he has moved on with his life, as if nothing ever happened. Possibly with one cheap of a woman who doesn't understand her power as a woman.
Emirad, please. Can you just allow me to nurse my pain in peace? Please.
I should allow you to nurse your pain in peace.
Yes.
The pains you brought upon yourself. It wouldn't have gone to this point if you had listened to me.
Emirad, for the fact that it is so easy for you to operate without a man in your life does not mean that all ladies are wired like that.
No, you don't tell me that. All ladies are wired like that. It's just a few of them like you who think you cannot do without a man, therefore making men to feel very important.
Don't talking around nonsense. You can find your way out.
I'll leave. But believe me, I'll always tell you the truth. You are a classy lady, for God's sake. Why would you allow all these men to treat you like one piece of trash? What is all this?
What is happening? What is happening to me? This urge to kill and take a life of someone I love. This force that is pushing me to end the life. Oh, this minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What is happening?
Hey! What is all this? Do you want to drink yourself to death?
I just let Quincy go.
And that is why I came, to talk some sense into you.
And I'm so hurt because I still love her, you know.
See, if a soothsayer had told me that you would dump Quincy, just like you've been doing to others, I wouldn't have believed it. So, no, tell me, what happened again this time?
I know, that's why it's affecting me this way. I know, man. Okechi, I can't see myself committing murder. Do you understand?
Murder as in killing someone?
Yes.
How does it always happen to you?
Look, there is a very strange but strong urge to kill my woman whenever she's around me.
What?
I'm serious.
This is strange.
I'm serious. Every time I'm with my woman, that strong urge just comes upon me, and I find myself struggling very hard to resist, you know, to resist it, you know, the urge to just kill. And that's why I keep letting them go. But you see, this one hurt me. Letting Quincy go is tearing me apart, man. You needed to see how she didn't want to go too, but Lord help me.
It's not sounding good. Not good.
What am I going to do?
Then I ask myself, what is happening? What is happening to me? This urge to kill and take a life of someone I love. This force that is pushing me to end the life. Whoa, this minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What is happening? What is happening to me? This minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What's really happening? What's happening to me? Somebody help me.
What are you doing here?
I have come to torment you, that's why.
Please, baby, you don't have to, okay? Just...
Why not? Now you just left me all alone upstairs. I was just missing you.
We just left.
No,
it's even up to 10 minutes.
You didn't just decide that, come on. You just didn't leave. You just, you just disappeared.
Baby, please, I don't want any distraction.
Come here, bring down your soft body here. What's wrong with you? What distraction? We can just have a quick one here in the kitchen.
Baby, you're even confusing me. Do you know I wanted to put this in here?
Yeah, that's the plan. Well, you don't watch this in foreign movies. They do these things in the kitchen. Right?
Baby, I am trying to prepare a vegetable soup with periwinkles and assorted meat.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. You will love it.
I know. Sounds good to me. Boy, oh boy. Now that's a very good idea. But see, I have a better idea. Drop that thing. Come now. Come on, just drop it. Let's go upstairs. Listen, I want to tell you something upstairs.
Tell me here.
No, our neighbors will hear. Let's just go upstairs.
Come here, baby, please. If you are so hungry and you need to eat something.
I'm also hungry for something else. Calm down. Let's go upstairs. You know you want it to. Yeah. Use your soft belly here. You'll be stingy with your hair. Come, let's go.
You can! Do it!
I can't do this. I'll go in for this if I do it. I can't afford to be jailed for life or probably sentenced to death by hanging.
I do not have rest, for you are not where I want you to be. The arms of another woman is not the place I want. They will always come for you are the lady's man. But you are mine. You belong to me. If I was not able to have you, then no one else can.
Stop.
Grab the knife and do the needful. Baby, it's nothing. I was just being mischievous. You know how I can be. I was just fooling around, you know. Sorry I scared you. Come on, baby.
Johnson.
Yes, baby.
Why do you always sneak around?
I tell you why I'm always sneaking around. I'm always sneaking up on you. Because I miss you, that's why, baby.
And you have to do that with your weapon?
Baby, stop calling it a weapon. It's a normal kitchen utensil. I mean, it's nothing. Hey, relax, okay? You're a bit too frazzled for my liking. Just relax. Breathe, okay? I know I scared you, but yeah, that was just me playing around.
I know you're hungry.
Oh, yes, I'm actually hungry.
Go wait for me at the dining.
Hold on, what's... I like the aroma, I like I like how this place feels.
I told you would love it.
Looks like I'm in for a big treat.
Baby, please, can you go to the dining and wait for me? I'm coming.
Hold on a second. Wait at the dining or wait upstairs in the bedroom. Which one?
Don't even go there because it will never work for you.
How about I just slow down? How about I just lie on the bed and just wait and just watch something grow?
Babe.
While I wait.
Go to the dining and wait for me. I am coming. Do you know how many hours you make me sleep?
Alright, I'm out of here already. Right? Okay. Hey, see the sights.
You know you work so hard, my love. So you should be too hard.
I know, it's a beautiful sight. And the aroma is so inviting too.
I told you that.
It's legit. No, but I'm okay. You have got to be the best cook in the world. I tell you this. I shouldn't say this, but I think you're a better cook than my mom.
Babe, please, can you eat and stop talking?
Of course, I'm going to, eat, but I'd like to just tell you how I feel about you before I start eating. I don't like to eat and talk at the same time, but, it just amazes me how you're able to do the work around this house, make a very beautiful meal like this, and still look this beautiful.
Baby?
Yes.
This is not the time to discuss it. Please, eat. Babe? What is it? What is that look on your face? You said you're hungry and here is the food and you can't even eat.
And I'm about to eat right now.
Please do. You work so hard and you should eat well.
Yes, I'll eat.
Thank you.
That's what I've been dealing with. There is a force stronger than me. And that force has a voice. A female voice. Urging me and then pushing me. You can feel the anger in that voice. And that voice speaks of death.
Death?
Oh yes, and I'm the one expected to trigger the death.
This can pass as the strangest moment of my life. Johnson, you mean all this has been going on and you never bothered to share it with me, your best friend?
Come on now. Huh? What are you saying now? Doesn't it even sound strange hearing it now? I can't bother you with such mundane issues now. Come on. I've been battling with it, thinking that I was going to find a way out of it. Every time I meet a woman that I really love, it's almost as if it waits for me to fall in love. Once I have my heart in there, the force comes, begins to urge me to kill. I begin to struggle, and because I don't want to have murder hanging over my neck, I begin to avoid this woman. And then they think I'm a player. I'm not a player.
This is demonic. Totally weird and absurd.
This is what I'm dealing with. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm still a young man now. Is this how I'm going to get married, settle down, have my own family?
I actually ran into David the other day at a shopping mall.
You did?
Yes. She did not hesitate to run to me and tell me that you are a hit and run.
You see, hit and run. That's how they all see me. That's what they term it. But everyone knows that's not who I am.
I know. I wonder why a cute guy would jilt a babe with rare attributes.
This is beyond me.
Oh, okay. An event center. Oh, wow. Not to worry. We'll give you the best, okay?